friends, I have a small secret for you. Guess what? Today we are going to learn about phrases. There are 8 types of phrases, but I don't know what Miss is going to teach. So I'm eagerly waiting. Come, let's get into the class and know more.
Morning children and welcome back to class. Yes, today we are going to see about phrases. Okay, we talk about sentence and phrases. Sentence are complete, they are complete and they give you a proper meaning. But the word phrase, normally when I say what is a phrase, it is a group of words that do not give you a complete meaning. They do not give you a complete meaning. So today we are going to see about the types of phrases, and in that we are going to see about only one specific type of phrase, and we are going to see how it works in a sentence. Okay, come, let's get into the lesson. Yeah, okay, normally there are 8 type of phrases. I'll just tell you what are those, and we'll see one alone in specific. Okay, noun phrase, verb phrase, adjectival phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, infinitive phrase, absolute phrase, and participle phrase. Okay, so these are the 8 types of phrases, but we are going to see about prepositional phrase alone today. Okay, when I say prepositional phrase, there are 2 different words here. Preposition is a different word and phrase is another different word. First, let's see about what is a preposition. We know what is a phrase, so we're going to see about preposition. Preposition, it says the position of the noun. As you can see, preposition. So it says about the position of the noun. You can remember it this way, preposition. It tells you the position of the noun. Don't forget it. Preposition tells you the position of the noun. So what are the words like in, on, under, above, beside, beneath, before, after? These are few of the words which are used as prepositions. Okay, so now we know what is a preposition in general, and then we know what is a phrase. So today we are going to see about prepositional phrase. Okay, when I say prepositional phrase, you may wonder how we can identify it when it is in a sentence. So I'm going to tell you how we are going to identify it. It will begin with a preposition, that is in, on, under, before, behind, after, something, these words, with these words. Okay, and it will end with a noun, pronoun, gerund or clause. Noun, pronoun, gerund or clause, the object of the preposition. So as I told you, this will start with a preposition. It will have noun, pronoun, gerund or clause, or so, and the object of the preposition. Okay, let's see. There should be some pattern, right? The first pattern will be, maybe it may have a preposition and a noun, pronoun, gerund or a clause. So the second type will be preposition plus modifier plus a noun, pronoun, verb or a gerund. Okay, it can be preposition and noun, verb, pronoun, gerund or a clause, or maybe it can be preposition plus modifier plus pronoun, noun, gerund or a clause. Okay, it can be either ways. So how does it work in a sentence? You may wonder how it works, but when it works, it does not work as a preposition, but it acts as an adjective or a adverb. It acts as an adjective or an adverb. What is an adjective? Adjectives describe a noun and adverbs describe a verb. Yes. So let's see few examples as adjectives, prepositional phrase as adjectives, and then prepositional phrase as adverbs. Okay, let's see prepositional phrase as adjectives first. Okay, for example, the girl in the white frock is my friend. The girl in the white frock is my friend. This is my sentence. So first we need to identify the preposition, so the rest we can identify it very easily. Okay, so phrase, so there, as you know, when I say phrase, we talk about 2 or 3 words together. Okay, yeah, let's find out. Preposition, what is the preposition mentioned here? Yeah, so when I say preposition here, okay, first I'll underline the prepositional phrase and then we'll go on to it. Okay, okay, so when I say the girl in the white frock is my friend, I'm talking about someone. First, we need to identify the preposition. So, it will be easy for us to find the prepositional phrase. So, what preposition is given here? Exactly. The word in is the preposition here. In. So, the phrase should follow. In the white frock. In the white frock is our preposition here. Prepositional phrase here. Okay, first we have identified our preposition. So, I want to write in here. I-N. Object of the preposition. We need to find the object which is used here. What object do we use? Yes, it is the white frock. The frock. The frock is the object which is mentioned here. And the modifier. What word modifies this? The and white. White just describes how the frock is or what the girl is wearing. Okay. So we found out our prepositional clause, our preposition, our object of the preposition and the modifier. Okay. To make it a little more simple, it answers the question which. It answers the question I say which. The next example I'm going to use here is the sock under the bed was stinky. The sock under the bed was stinky. First we are going to find the preposition. Which is my preposition here? Yes, the word under is my preposition. You found out very easily. Very good. So under is my preposition. It says the position. The bed. Under the bed is my prepositional phrase here. So I found out my preposition already. So I can write under here. Okay. Then the object of the preposition. What is my object of preposition here? What is the object mentioned here? Exactly. We are talking about the bed. So it is the object of the preposition. And finally I have a modifier here. Which is my modifier? Yes, the is my modifier. So my preposition is under. Then the object of the preposition is the bed and the modifier is the. And a tip to find out, okay? It answers the question which. When I say the sock under which? The bed. So this acts like an adjective more than a prepositional phrase, okay? It does not act as a preposition but it acts like an adjective. That is the sock under the bed. So the sock under which? The sock under the bed. Okay. Now next we are going to see about prepositional phrase as adverbs. Okay. We are going to see few examples, 2 example sentences for this, and then we are going to identify the preposition and the object of the preposition. Okay. For the sentence which I am going to use here is, she will meet me in the morning. She will meet me in the morning. When I say she will meet me in the morning, which word is my preposition here? Think. In is my preposition. So when I say in is my preposition, my prepositional phrase is in the morning. In the morning. Very good. So in is my preposition here. So the object of the preposition is morning. Very good. So now it is easy. This acts as an adverb here. She will meet me when? In the morning. It answers the question when here. And then the next example. I will meet you after the class. I will meet you after the class. This is my sentence. So what is my preposition here? Exactly. The word after is my preposition. So after the class is my prepositional phrase. And when I say prepositional phrase, I found the preposition. I need to find the object of the preposition. So what is my object here? Exactly. Class is my object which is mentioned here. So I hope you understood and it answers. That is, when I talk about prepositional verb as adverbs, it answers the question when. Okay. I will meet her after when? The class. Okay. So I am telling. Okay. When I ask a question in the previous one, we saw she will meet me in. When? She will meet me in the morning. Yes. Okay, we'll have a quick recap of what we saw today. So, how will you identify a prepositional phrase? It'll begin with a preposition and end with a noun, pronoun, gerund or a clause. And the object of the preposition. How does it work? It does not work as a preposition but instead it works as an adjective or an adverb. Okay, children? Okay, from page number 42 to 44 you have few types. You have few examples and exercises there. You can go through your textbook and do the exercises which are given. Okay. Okay, children. So here we come to the end of the lesson. I have an activity for you. You can stop the video, finish off the activity. Okay, children? Yes. Do it and feel refreshed. Okay. Bye, children. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and drink plenty of water. Bye.